Hi everyone, welcome back to Mental Wealth. Today we're exploring a topic that influences every aspect of our lives, mental health. Whether you're curious about its meaning or how it impacts your daily well-being, you're in the right place. Mental health is not just the absence of mental illness, it's a state of well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Unfortunately, millions of people worldwide struggle with mental health disorders. These disorders are often hidden. They can be hard to see. Many people suffer in silence. This makes it an invisible epidemic. It's important to remember that mental health is just as important as physical health. Ignoring mental health issues can have serious consequences. It's time to break the silence and shed light on this critical aspect of overall well-being. What exactly are mental disorders? In simple terms, they are conditions that affect your thinking, feeling, and behavior. These conditions cause distress and difficulty in daily life. They are like any other health condition. They have biological and environmental causes. Mental disorders are not a sign of weakness. They are not a character flaw. They are real medical conditions that require attention and care. Just like a physical illness needs treatment, so does a mental disorder. Understanding this is the first step towards breaking down stigma and seeking help. Mental disorders manifest in many forms. Anxiety disorders, for example, are characterized by excessive worry and fear. This can lead to panic attacks and avoidance behaviors. Depression, another common disorder, brings persistent sadness and loss of interest. It affects sleep, appetite, and energy levels. Bipolar disorder is marked by extreme shifts in mood. These shifts range from manic highs to depressive lows. Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, can develop after experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event. It leads to flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety. The statistics surrounding mental health are alarming. Globally, nearly 280 million people suffer from depression. Anxiety disorders affect approximately 275 million. Suicide claims a life every 40 seconds. That's a staggering 800,000 people every year. In the United States alone, 1 in 5 adults experiences mental illness each year. These numbers highlight the urgent need for increased awareness, resources, and support for mental health. It's time to prioritize mental health as a global health priority. Mental disorders don't just affect the individual. They have a ripple effect on families, communities, and society as a whole. Untreated mental illness can lead to relationship problems, unemployment, and substance abuse. It can also increase the risk of physical health problems like heart disease and stroke. The economic burden of mental illness is also significant. Addressing mental health is not just a personal responsibility, but a societal imperative. It requires a collective effort to create a culture of understanding, support, and early intervention. Embarking on the path to well-being. The encouraging news is that mental disorders are manageable. Reaching out for help is a sign of courage, not frailty. The initial step often involves consulting a healthcare professional. They can offer a precise diagnosis and suggest the most suitable treatment plan. Treatment options differ based on the type and severity of the disorder. Psychotherapy, or talk therapy, aids individuals in understanding and managing their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Medications, such as antidepressants and anti-anxiety drugs, can help correct chemical imbalances in the brain that contribute to mental illness. Self-care, your mental health toolkit. While professional help is crucial, self-care plays a vital role in managing mental health. Engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation is essential. This might include spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, listening to music, or connecting with loved ones. Prioritizing physical health is also crucial. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep have a profound impact on mental well-being. Practicing mindfulness and stress reduction techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can help manage anxiety and promote emotional regulation. Breaking the stigma towards a mentally healthy society. Stigma surrounding mental health prevents individuals from seeking the help they need. It's time to break down these barriers and create a society where mental health is treated with the same importance as physical health. Open conversations about mental health are crucial. Sharing personal experiences can help normalize these struggles and encourage others to seek support. Educating ourselves and others about mental health is essential. Understanding the facts, dispelling myths, and promoting empathy can help create a more compassionate and supportive environment. You are not alone. A message of hope. If you're struggling with a mental health disorder, remember you are not alone. Millions of people around the world share your experiences. There is hope, and recovery is possible. Reaching out for help is the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember to be kind to yourself, practice self-compassion, and celebrate small victories along the way. Your mental health matters. Take care of yourself, seek support when you need it, and know that brighter days are ahead. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mental Wealth, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to invest in your mental well-being. Remember, your mental health is the key to happier, healthier life. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep shining.